And finally, I did want to tell you a little bit about partial classes, because you will see the partial keyword quite frequently. That's usually when there is a designer involved, like the designer that we're using in our WPF application. The key to understanding a partial class is that it's simply a way that you can split a class definition across multiple files. So in one .cs file, I can declare a class animal and define a few methods and a few properties. And in a different CS file that is inside of the same project, I can have another definition for animal that includes a different set of properties and methods. When the compiler comes along, it's going to merge those two different sets of properties and methods and static fields and whatever we have defined into a single class definition. Also in C# we have partial method definitions. Partial methods are really extensibility points. And here's an example. Here we have a partial class called animal. And in here, every animal is going to have a name property. And we have a partial method defined onNameChanged. Just like an abstract method, there's no implementation of this method provided here, but somewhere in a different file, we could provide an implementation of onNameChanged. If this implementation is not here, onNameChanged will be optimized away as if it never existed by the C# compiler. If you're using one of the database technologies like Link to SQL or the Entity Framework, this is where you'll see partial methods come into play.